everybody. I'm drenched. I've been out here in the rain over 2 hours. I waited till 3 o'clock last night because I had walked in there and told them, hey, you guys sure this load's going to get out tonight? Because if not, I'll just go ahead and go to sleep and, you know, worry about it in the morning. Oh, they'll call you as soon as it's done. They're working on it now. So that's what they said, right? So I waited up till 3 a.m. Sky broke out, started pouring down rain. It hasn't stopped really since. Whew. And so, I'd been up since yesterday morning, so I went ahead and got about 2 hours of sleep. And then the world started waking up, so I got up, made a cup of coffee. 9 o'clock, they finally had my load pulled out. And as I was tightening that bad boy down, them boxes are soaking wet and they're all collapsing before I could even get the straps on them. And so I wrestled around trying to get everything adjusted for 2 hours. I finally got her all strapped down. It's kind of a crazy deal. You know, pieces in the middle are not touching and all that stuff. I had to get up and down, put pieces of wood on there to make sure the straps had pressure on them so that they weren't sliding back and forth to slide off the truck, or when I hit the brake they come forward and come through the sleeper and hit me in the back of the head and I might say, ow, I don't like that. So anywho, so this place is called Whirlwind Steel Buildings, and they're pretty nice folks. I don't want to say anything bad about them. It's a bad deal that I ended up staying up all night. I'm kind of delirious right now. Don't know if I should be driving, really, to tell you the truth, but I need to get in here. I'm drenched, and I'm trying not to get any wetness on the inside the cab here. Woo! And so, wow. So, yeah, I probably should get off here because I need to get all these wet threads off of me. And yeah, this building is going to cost these people, I think, let me see, 40. Where'd it go? Right here. $46,000 for this bad boy. I gotta pick up a check for it. It's cash on delivery. So, whew, I gotta get off here, guys. I need to get these soaking wet clothes off of me, get some air in my lungs, and see if I can maybe drive out of Houston, you know, and maybe catch a nap once I get to the other side. And I'll see you guys. God bless. Have fun. See you later. And whatever. My brain's delirious. Later, guys.